Switzerland is a country known for its breathtaking landscapes and incredible punctuality. And of course, its public transportation is among the best in the world. Want to know how to travel around this beautiful country efficiently and comfortably? In this video, we'll share tips and tricks to help you use Swiss public transportation like a local. Stay with us, and you'll learn how to travel in comfort, save money, and enjoy the stunning views that await you from the windows of trains and buses. Let's start with the most popular mode of transport in Switzerland: trains. The Swiss Federal Railways, SBB, are famous for their punctuality and convenience. Trains run on schedule down to the minute, so you can be sure you'll reach your destination on time. The first tip is always to check the schedule. You can find it on the official SBB website or in the mobile app. The app also shows you the platform from which your train departs and any changes to the schedule. If you plan to visit multiple cities and attractions, consider getting the Swiss Travel Pass. This ticket allows unlimited travel on trains, buses, and boats throughout the country for a chosen period, from 3 to 15 days. It's not only convenient, but also economical, especially if you plan to travel a lot. Moreover, with the Swiss Travel Pass, you get free access or discounts to many museums and excursions. Swiss trains are very comfortable. You'll find cozy seats, power outlets for charging devices, and free Wi-Fi on many routes. For longer trips, choose panoramic cars. For example, the Glacier Express, which runs from Zermatt to St. Moritz, offers stunning views of the Alps through its large windows. Don't forget to reserve a seat in advance, especially if you plan to travel during peak season. Switzerland is also known for its buses and trams, which perfectly complement the railway network. In cities like Zurich, Geneva, and Basel, trams are the primary means of transportation. They run frequently, and stops always display when the next tram will arrive. Tram tickets can be purchased at ticket machines at stops, through mobile apps, or in advance at special kiosks. We recommend learning the route numbers you need in advance to save time. In rural areas and smaller towns, buses are the main mode of transport. They connect small towns with major cities and railway stations. Buses run on schedule, and all of them are equipped with electronic displays indicating the next stop. Pay close attention to the schedule, as buses may run less frequently in remote areas. It's important to remember that in Switzerland, tickets for public transportation must be purchased in advance before boarding. Train tickets can be bought at stations, in ticket machines, or through mobile apps. The same goes for buses and trams. Make sure to keep your ticket throughout the journey, as inspectors can check them at any time. Fines for traveling without a ticket are quite high, 100 Swiss francs. Another important aspect is ferries. Rich in lakes, Switzerland offers tourists and locals a unique opportunity to travel by ferry. For example, on Lake Geneva and Lake Lucerne, you can enjoy scenic views while traveling by boat. Ferries are included in the Swiss Travel Pass, making it a great way to diversify your journey and see Switzerland from the water. If you're traveling with luggage, many train stations offer convenient luggage storage services. In major cities like Zurich and Geneva, there are storage lockers where you can leave your bags and explore the city with ease. Some trains also have spaces for large luggage and bicycles, which is especially convenient for active travelers. Finally, don't forget about safety. While Switzerland has a very low crime rate, always stay vigilant. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded places. If needed, feel free to approach transportation staff or the police. They are always ready to help. Public transportation in Switzerland is not just a way to get around. It's a chance to see this amazing country from a different perspective. With its convenience, punctuality, and comfort, your journey will be pleasant and unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more helpful travel tips, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Share your experiences and tell us which places in Switzerland you dream of visiting. Until next time, happy travels.